Want to speak English while traveling? Let's practice easy travel English together. Listen and repeat.
Getting ready for the trip. Plan my trip. I plan my trip. Book a hotel. I book a hotel. Book a flight. I book a flight. Pack my clothes. I pack my clothes. Zip up my suitcase. I zip up my suitcase. Check my passport. I check my passport. Take my travel bag. I take my travel bag. Call a taxi. I call a taxi. Leave my house. I leave my house. Head to the airport. I head to the airport. At the airport. Arrive at the airport. I arrive at the airport. Walk into the terminal. I walk into the terminal. Look at the screen. I look at the screen. Check my flight number. I check my flight number. Wait in line. I wait in line. Show my passport. I show my passport. Check in my luggage. I check in my luggage. Get my boarding pass. I get my boarding pass. Walk to security. I walk to security. Go to the gate. I go to the gate. On the plane. Board the plane. I board the plane. Find my seat. I find my seat. Put my bag overhead. I put my bag overhead. Sit down. I sit down. Fasten my seat belt. I fasten my seat belt. Look out the window. I look out the window. Listen to the announcement. I listen to the announcement. Drink some water. I drink some water. Take a short nap. I take a short nap. Wait for landing. I wait for landing. Arriving in a new place. Get off the plane. I get off the plane. Walk through the airport. I walk through the airport. Pick up my luggage. I pick up my luggage. Leave the airport. I leave the airport. Take a taxi. I take a taxi. Go to my hotel. I go to my hotel. Check in at the hotel. I check in at the hotel. Get my room key. I get my room key. Enter my room. I enter my room. Put my bag down. I put my bag down. Enjoying the trip. Go out and explore. I go out and explore. Visit a famous place. I visit a famous place. Take some pictures. I take some pictures. Buy some food. I buy some food. Try local dishes. I try local dishes. Walk around the city. I walk around the city. Buy souvenirs. I buy souvenirs. Enjoy my trip. I enjoy my trip. Go back to the hotel. I go back to the hotel. Rest after a long day. I rest after a long day.
Which sentence do you like best? Repeat again and speak with me. Subscribe for more daily English.